Hi guys, today we will be talking about local area networks and how you can set up your router the easiest way. As you can see, today I'm not in the same place as always. I'm on vacation right now and this video might be uploaded a little later. I don't know how good connection is here. The goal of this video is to map local network and to see if I can change router settings. Let's begin. So, first of all, we need to figure out what IP address is. Use representation of one address in binary. As you can see, there are 32 bits divided into 8-bit parts. In this case, when we translate this binary to decimal, we get this IP address. In most cases, you're going to have a local network IP address and a public IP address. So if you go to sites like what's my IP address and stuff like that, you're going to get your public IP address. That is the IP address that was assigned by ISP to your router. And you need IP address that is assigned by router to you. You're going to get it by opening terminal and typing IP address. As you can see, in this case I'm connected via wireless interface, so I can see here my IP version 4 IP address is 192.168.1.135 and net mask is 24. So what does it mean? Let's say your IP address is 192.168.3. something. In this case, 192.168.3.0 is IP address of your network for that net mask. We'll talk about that later. First IP address is in most cases assigned to router, so it is 192.168.3.1, and then IP address is from 192.168.3.2 to 192.168.3.24.5. 254 are for ordinary clients like your computer. And in the end you have broadcast IP address. Now let's return to net mask. In this case we saw it is 24, so that means first 24 bits are 1, and that means those 24 bits stay the same. There's also different representation of that net mask, and that's 255, 255, 255, 0, and that means only the last 8 bits change. Now let's scan your network and see what devices are there. When we the software I'm going to use for this is ZenMap. It is basically graphical interface for popular software called Nmap. One thing to keep in mind when choosing a profile is that it is sometimes possible that the device has ICMP protocol disabled. That means you cannot ping it. In most cases I just assume it has it enabled and I leave it at default. One more thing to remember is you need to set target. In this case I just type network IP/netmask. You can see here network is 192.168.10 and netmask is 24. For sake of time I'm not going to rerun this scan, and I'm just going to look at results. You can see it is pinging one host at a time and saying they are down, and for those that are not down it discovered open ports. There's open port on 162, 192, 168, 12, and so on. We can see results we cannot see since scan is not over. So we can start by seeing what's on this IP. In most cases this is router. I'll open Midori. Now you need to type in your password. In most cases it is probably admin and admin. I'm going to hope that sysadmin of this network is not dead. I'll just log in now. As you can see here, we have internet status, and most routers are going to have it, client list and stuff like that. What we want to change is virus password in this case, for example. Let's say we change it, and that's it for this video.